If your post installation of WSUS is feeling the same error, the schema version of database is from the newer version of WSUS than the current install, this video is for you. If this resolves your error, please subscribe to my channel. So to resolve this, just go to C program files and go to update services and go to database. Look for the last file, which is version check. Right click and open this file with notepad. There is a single change that you need to do, which is on the third line, declare at script minor version initial. This 11 needs to be changed to 51. So that will resolve your error simply. To make these changes, I have just copied the command, created a new version check SQL file, and I've replaced the changes which are required, which was changing the number 11 to 51. And I will try to run my WSUS Post installation once again, and it should fix my issue. Let me select my content library, hit run, and we can see the post installation is completed successfully. If this has resolved your error, please subscribe to my channel.